Good morning, my sweet third graders. It's so good to see you here. So today we're going to start this new lesson. We have been working with vowel sounds, and today I would like to reinforce this sound because I have noticed that when you speak, guys, during class or outside the classroom, you tend to make a lot of mistakes when pronouncing some words that are actually short E sound, and you do it with long I sounds. So we need to reinforce that. The most important here to know is that we are here to learn, so feel free to make mistakes. The most important is to learn and do it correctly. Okay, so let's start the class. So let's review a little bit about these words. They are divided, as you can see, in their sound. Both columns, both groups have the same vowel, as you can observe it, which is in red. But what will be different is the sound. So remember that in English language, we will have short sounds and long sounds, okay? So we have to be careful because sometimes we can be misunderstood if we are pronouncing a word that could be meaning something else of the word that we actually pronounce it. And the difference can be just the sound. So that's why we're going to work with this. It's very important for us to know this by heart. And you will see that practice makes perfect. The more you practice, the easier it will be. Okay? So let's see. Let's start with the short I words. As you can see, we have this vocabulary that is from the vocabulary we have been learning during classes. So just in case if you forgot the meaning of any of these words you have, I'm drawing for you to help you. So I would like you to observe the words for a minute, please. Yes, I know you know them. We have been using them even in sentences, so we can say that they are not difficult to use. But the most important today, right now, is the pronunciation of that vowel. Is it short E or long I? There is a difference and we need to know it well. So I'm going to show you a technique that I use to learn these sounds that are different, but they actually have the same letter in the spelling. So I'm going to use my hands, okay? We're going to put them in a praying position. And when I have a short sound, I'm going to open my hands a little bit. And when I have a long sound, I'm going to open them more. So I will show you now how to do it, okay? So please listen and pay attention. Let's start with the short E sound words. Beef, 6, kid, bean, green, big, drill, drink. Okay, now let's do it together. All of us, let's place our hands in a praying position and let's pronounce the words opening our hands. Just a few, because we're just indicating that this is a short sound. Yes, let's start at 1, 2, 3. Bib, 6, kid, bean, green, big, drill, drink. Excellent job. Now I'm going to show you first how to pronounce the long I words using also again my hands, and then we're going to do it with me. Okay, right now just listen. Okay, let's start. 1, 2, 3. lion, iron, 5, pie, light, fly, tide, time. Very good, right? Easy. Now let's do it all together. 1, 2, 3. Lion, iron, 5, pie, light, fly, type, time. And remember that in these words we have the silent E. So we're not going to pronounce that one. So now that you review the sounds, we're going to make an independent practice, but it will be a collaborative work. I'm going to read this poem for you, and then you're going to read it with a classmate. Once you finish, we're going to circle the words that contain the short E sound. Let's listen again. The rainbow fish. A little boy named Raju lived in the city, but during every summer break, he would visit his grandfather's house in the village. In one such break, Raju decided to learn to swim and join a local swimming class in the village. On his first day, he met a rainbow fish and started to have a little chit-chat with it. The fish started too, and then you can choose the ending of the poem. So this is your individual work. Let's start. Okay guys, so this was all for today. Thank you very much for your patience. You did an awesome job. So see you later.